Happy Wednesday morning. I am Erica, LOL, Beauty and Reviews. Mostly my name is just Erica. I don't make people call me Beauty and Reviews or LOL. Which, funny little story, the LOL stands for the first name, 3 in the letters in my maiden name. It's not laugh out loud or anything like that. But I was cleaning the area, as you can tell. And for some reason, the allergies are bad lately. This is such a neat little water jug while I picked it up. But see, it's got the times on it. I don't know if y'all could see it. This side has 8 a.m. to 12 p.m. And then this side has 1 p.m. to 5 p.m. And I'm guessing each little individual thing is like 8 ounces at least. I didn't look into it. It's called Aqua Time. I did a video with this and the bigger one, but this is so much easier to walk around with. I can't find my little cup that goes in it because it comes with a cup inside that attaches and you can put fruit in it. Can't find that. I even bought strawberries to put in this, and lemons. But I've been using this every day, and I drink it twice before I drink anything else, including caffeine to wake up. But I've been cleaning, and I was like, I'm about to do a major declutter in this room. Do y'all want me to film that, by the way? And I was like, okay, before I start that, let's go ahead and get rid of the empties. So I know I just did an empties video, but we got another one. So it's not very much. It's like 1, 2. It's not very much. Okay. So we're just going to go ahead and start. The All Natural. I was sent this by the company, and I have used it all. This is Prepare Brightening Lotion, pH Skin Balancing Preparation. And it's a little squirter. And it's done. It's a metal piece, so you can reuse it, I believe. You could buy a refill. And this is a gentle face cleanser that you could buy a refill. This is their travel set. So I'm going to keep the containers, and I'm going to look up the refills, because I know they sent me a refill for the AM lotion, moisturizing lotion. So I'm going to look up the refills because I did like these. So if they have refills for them, I'm going to refill them. The next thing is something I got in Boxycharm. This is Terre de Mars Rendition Body Cleanser. It smells so good. It smelled like lemon. It looks like this. I did use it all, and it was really good. My skin was really clean, and it has coffee extracts, antioxidant, verbena, tones, aloe vera, and moisturizer. And my skin felt so good every time I used it. And I don't know how much it costs, but I'm going to look it up also so I could buy it. But did anyone else get this in a Boxycharm and like it? If so, let me know if you found it somewhere and where you found it, because I can't find it on Sephora. I'm figuring that's where it was, but maybe it's on Ulta. But I don't know how much it costs, and I did get it in a Boxycharm, and I love it. Alright, the next thing is my Teami Detox Mask Green Tea Blend. It's expired. So, yeah. We're not going to use it no more, but I did use quite a bit, as you can tell. I love this matcha green tea mask, green tea blend. I used it quite a bit, as you can see, and I love how my face felt afterwards. It didn't break out. It literally, you could feel it cleaning your skin, like when it was drying around your pores. Sometimes you could see it like you could see your pores in the mask. So it was definitely pulling stuff out. So because I never got a whole bunch in my pores, if any. So I did like it, and I believe it's like $25 on their website. And they're always having sales. And you could get it on the a lot of times you could get their products on Boxycharm add-ons. And you can also get their products at Ulta. This is the Hank and Henry sponge. It's done. You only keep sponges for 6 months. Like the one I used this morning, from Ulta, I believe, or this is a Sonia Koshik. I don't know. But either way, it's done too. I've had it for a minute, and I have a bag full down here that I need to get to. So we're going to move on. This is Project Beauty Hair Gurt. I got this in a Boxycharm as well. This is Almond Honey Intense Repair Hair Mask, Prebiotics, Quinoa, Super Botanicals, Beautiful Hair Sulfate. I didn't like it. You had to keep it in for a really long time, and I try to get in and out of the shower. You have to keep it in for 5 to 10 minutes, and then I did do that a few times, and my hair did not look or feel as nice as it does right now. And this is using a $2 hair mask from Walmart. So, yeah, I'm pretty sure this was probably expensive, and I just didn't like it. It says help repair damaged, fragile, and brittle hair. No, it didn't. My hair felt like crap every time. It didn't feel any different. So, I don't like this. That's my personal opinion. If you do like it, then go ahead and like it. I didn't like it. And I usually love hair masks. If you've been around, you know this. This is the Hyaluronic Natural Hyaluronic Acid Eye Cream. It's got vitamin C, caffeine, squalene, and peptide. And I ran out. I love their packaging too, because it has this little piece on the front. It's been sitting in here a minute, so everything that was in it dried out because it wasn't being used twice a day. But it's like you don't have to worry about having to reach in and get the cream or putting the tube up against your eye. It's a very good cream. And then we have the Age-Defying Complex by Purity. And this expired as well. Yeah. This expired as well, but I did use almost all of it. So I love this. I believe it's like $26 to $30 on their website, and they do have some really good products, and I do recommend them. I believe they were in the video yesterday. And so is Instant Natural. See, proof that if I say I like it, I truly like it, and I will keep using it. But here is this one, and yes. And every time you buy from them, you can save $5 on your next purchase. I'm not sure what all that is. But it's like go to da-da-da. I don't know. It's on all their products, I noticed. The next thing is the Vitamin C Cleanser by Instant Natural. My second cleanser in the 2 different empties by them. This is the Aloe Vera, Coconut Water, Sugarcane Extract, and Greatine Extract. Reduces the appearance of fine lines and dullness. Really good. I put these in my shower because I could just wash my face. I wash my face before I get in the shower. Like the makeup off with makeup removing wipes or a washcloth or an oil. And then when I get in the shower, I use my cleansers or exfoliators. So, yes. That's empty. This one, I'm kind of upset. And I'll tell you why. It's not empty. It's never been used. It's never been opened. Even. And I got this as whenever I buy a lot of stuff from Ulta and it comes with those big bags of stuff. Well, the last big bag of stuff came with this. I was like, oh great, I'm breaking out, so I will use this. This was expired before they even sent it to me. If you look down here at the bottom, someone wasn't paying attention. It expired March 2021. I don't believe I even had it by then. I'll have to go back and look through my videos when I got it. But I'm pretty sure if I did have it by then, I got it that month. So it was basically expired before I received it. And I don't like that. Because I really, really wanted to try it. It's by Dermalogica Bright Clearing Serum. And I was hoping that it would help get rid of the breakouts as well as some dark spots from breakouts. But I never got a chance to use it. So I was kind of upset on that. But that is everything. And I hope y'all have a wonderful day. And I will also try to get all the information for each product down below, if I could find them. That, even the ones I didn't like, I will go ahead and put in there because, I mean, like the Dermalogica thing, maybe someone wants to buy the full size. I like to try things like that first, especially because that was a really good size. Especially since it could be a spot treatment, like it says on the back. I was excited for it. And look how much product came in it. That is a really good size. That would have been awesome. But with it saying expired, I'm not putting it on my face. Don't put expired products on your face. Especially if you can see the fact that it is expired. And it's a chemical. Don't put that on your face. So, anyways, always look for expiration dates. And because sometimes they're there and you just don't realize it. I hope y'all all have a wonderful day. And I'll see you Friday. Bye.